Let's look at question 6 part B of the CSEC Mathematics, January 2025, paper 2. Here it says, a cylindrical block of cheese has a radius of 12 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters. The cheese is divided into equal slices. The uniform cross-section of the slice of cheese is a sector whose angle is 18 degrees as shown in the diagram below. Okay, calculate the length of the arc AB. Alright, so I've copied it here. We want to calculate the length of the arc AB. Alright, so here now, remember that if we had the entire cheese, it would be in the form of a circle. And the arc length would be the circumference, which is 2 pi times the radius. But when you form a sector, you're only covering part of the circumference. And that part is 2 pi times the radius times the angle divided by 360. So if you had half of the cheese, that would be 180 degrees. Because the cut would be a straight line, so it's 180 over 360 would be half. If it's a quarter, then you would have a 90 degree there. And 90 over 360 is a quarter. Alright? And so on. But this time it's not 180, it's not 90, it's 18 degrees. So our sector is 18 degrees, as you can see in the diagram there. Alright? So you see that? So our x is 18. Normally I would put theta, Greek letter, theta, but they had used x as to show the angle in part A. So I just continue using x. So here now, the length is 2. They said to use 22 over 7 for pi, 22 over 7 times the radius. So there. Oh, well, I was thinking 18, but this is a different part of the question. This is 12. The radius they used for the sector in part A was 18. I'd nearly use it, but this is 12. The radius is 12. So pi, that 2 times pi times r. Alright? Then you multiply by the angle 18 degrees divided by 360. So you see that? Okay. So how will you deal with this thing now? So the arc length is going to be, let's get our calculator up and running. Alright, so 2 multiplied by 22 over 7 equals that. Multiply by 12 and we get that. Multiply by 18 divided by 360 equal 3.77. So it's 3.77. Is it centimeter again? Right, centimeters. 3.77 centimeter. Put centimeter. You must always put the unit that you're measuring in. Okay. So that was done. That's for one mark. Then for another mark, determine the area of the curved surface ABCD. Alright. Let's copy it and paste it over here. Okay, so it's right there. The ABCD. Now, the area of the curved surface. The area I'm talking about is this area here. Area of that curved surface. Now, the fact is that if we know the height, which we do, which is 8 centimeters going up and down, right? And we know the arc length, which we also know. What is it again? 3.77. So it's 8 by 3.77. So this is going to be 8 multiplied by 3.77. What is that equal to? Let's get back to our calculator. So that times, what's going on here? Alright, that times 8 equal 30.17. So the area here is 30.17 centimeters squared. Alright? So that's what you have there. Now, the next thing they say, given that the area of OAB is 22.6 centimeters, calculate the volume of the entire block of cheese. Let me copy this thing and paste it over here. Alright, it's pasted up here. Let's drag it down. Alright, so here we go. The area OAB is 22.6. So the OAB is 22.6. So OAB is really the area of the top. Let's get rid of what we did here in shading and just shade the area of the top now. How much they say again? 22.6. So this is 22.6. That's the shaded area that is up here. Alright? Now, you know that whenever you have a cross-sectional area of a solid and then the dimensions of the solid are uniform, they don't change, same width throughout, same diameter throughout, same shape throughout, same height throughout, and so on, you multiply the area times the length. Alright? So the volume of a cheese is the area times the length. No, I mean, not area times length, what I'm talking about. Yeah, okay, right. The area times length, yeah. It's the area times length. So in this case, 22.6 centimeters squared multiplied by, what's the length again? 8 multiplied by 8 centimeter. Now notice centimeter square multiplied by centimeters will give you centimeter cube, right? So 22.6 by 8 is what we have to deal with here. So 22.6 multiplied by 8 equal 180.8 centimeter cube. 180.8 centimeter cube. So that is the volume of the entire block of cheese. Alright? Okay, so total 9 marks. So that is it for question 6. I will see you in the next video. Remember, if your homework for now is to do the other question, work it out before you watch me do it. Remember to share the video with somebody else, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and like the video if you find value in it. Alright? Any questions, comments you have, put them in the comment section. I'll respond to it if needed. Alright, so I'll see you.